You can be right or you can be dead right. Many comments on this video said that the car driver had the right of way and legally did not have to move. But keep in mind, traffic laws no more prevent crashes than criminal law prevents crime. As AGT said, I don't have to legally give up my lane, but I'm not putting myself in the way of a semi. I'd be squished like a bug. And this is absolutely correct. Sometimes it's just a matter of letting off the throttle a little bit and creating minimum safe distance. If there's a semi truck beside you, have situational awareness. And if they're there for more than a few moments, back off and create that space to keep yourself safe. Because as the truck driver Chopper Rick said, I like it when cars do that to me. I wait for the next exit and then I push them off into the exit. Know that in the culture of truck driving, you get 3 flashes with most drivers and then they start to come over. They don't give you a warning, they just change lanes. For more information, smartdrivetest.com.